Hello friends, welcome to Tebo's World Recipes. Today we bring you a special recipe. One of my friends sent me this and asked me to make these chicken wings in an orange glaze. It has some very common ingredients that we have around the house, like orange juice, mustard, ketchup, soy sauce, etc. It's a very interesting recipe and I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need are 4 pounds of chicken wings, 1 1/4 cups of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of hot honey sauce, and everything bagel seasoning, and dried parsley for garnish. First, we're going to put our chicken wings in a pan, and we're going to add our orange juice. In this recipe, we're not going to fry our chicken wings. It's more like a boil, but they come out real good. We're going to arrange all our chicken wings so they all soak all that orange juice, and we're going to wait until the orange juice starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, we're going to add our garlic. We're going to add our dried oregano, our paprika, and our salt and pepper. We're going to mix everything to start combining and making the sauce. Once everything is combined, we're going to add our hot honey. If you don't have hot honey, you can always mix a little bit of honey with some cayenne pepper. We're also going to add our ketchup and our mustard. Lastly, we're going to add our soy sauce, and we're going to start mixing everything to incorporate into our sauce. This is smelling delicious. Once everything is incorporated, we're going to cover our chicken wings and we're going to cook them for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to uncover our wings and we're going to keep on cooking them to let the sauce reduce and make it nice and sticky. As our sauce is reducing, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to know when new videos are coming, click on the bell to get notifications. Don't forget to leave us your comments. At the end of the video, give us a like, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's finish our wings. After 10-15 minutes that our sauce has reduced, this glaze is sticky and ready to plate. I'm going to put all my chicken wings in a serving platter. Man, I can't tell you, they smell awesome. Now we're going to cover all our chicken wings with this honey glaze. Oh wow. And to finish, I'm gonna use some everything bagel seasoning to garnish. If you don't have this, you can use just sesame seeds. The recipe called for it. And to give it a little bit touch of green, I'm gonna use some dried parsley. Look at that, a work of art. And now our orange chicken wings are ready. I gotta admit, it's a weird recipe, but they smell real good. Let's try it. Wow. They're awesome. I don't know who came up with this recipe, but I give them a A+. You should try it. Any game day, whatever. They're really good. See you next time.